Three things this week. The world has two biomes that blend into each other smoothly. Blocks that don't fit into your inventory actually fall to the ground and wait for you. And under the hood, the entire interaction system got rebuilt from scratch, because it was becoming impossible to work with. Let's start with what you can actually see. Previously, the world had two biomes. Technically, it had the system for multiple biomes, but the moment you added a second one, the border between them looked like this. One block mountains, next block flat plains. No transition, no blending. It looked broken because it was broken. We now have two biomes, mountain and plains, both prototypes, and the border between them actually makes sense. Walk from the plains towards the mountains and the terrain gradually rises. The rocky peaks don't just appear out of nowhere. The way it works, for every point in the world, instead of just asking which biome owns this point and using only that biome's height rules, we calculate a weighted average. Points close to a biome border get blended height, partly from one biome and partly from the other, weighted by distance. The closer you are to the mountain biome, the more mountainous the terrain. The closer to plains, the flatter. Second new feature, and this one closes a loop that the Open Science Devlog tool. What happens when you break a block, but your inventory is full, or you already carrying too much weight? Before this week, nothing. The block was just laying there and could not be picked up, which is obviously wrong for a resource gathering game. You break something, you should get the resource. If you cannot carry it right now, it should wait for you. Now, if the inventory cannot accept the item, either no space or weight limit exceeded, the block drops to the ground as a physical object. It has gravity, it bounces a little, it sits there. Walk up to it, look at it for a moment and press E to pick up. Now the part that most players never see, but every developer eventually has to face. The interaction system was becoming a problem. Everything lived in one class, interactive. Input reading, raycasting, break timers, tool checks, inventory logic, drop physics, all of it, tangled together. Adding anything new meant navigation through code that was doing 6 different jobs at once. Fixing a bug in one area would sometimes break something completely unrelated. This week we refactored it into 6 separate classes, each with one job. From the outside, nothing changed. Same game, same feel. But now, when we add a new block type, or a new tool, or a new inventory rule, we touch one class, not 6. Two biomes, smooth transition, items that actually stay in the world when you cannot carry them, and an interaction system that won't fight us every time we add something new. The foundation is getting solid. Next, crafting. You have resources. You can carry them, you can drop them and pick them back up. The next logical step is doing something with them. Combining items, crafting tools, building materials. That's where the kingdom actually begins. Subscribe if you want to see it.